mum, you start at a certain point in the morning and you cannot stop. George, come down, please. It's time for cricket. Come on, Harry. It's time to go football. Got your coat. Let's go. You can't suddenly go at 5:30, that's it, grab my coat and I'll leave. Molly, can you come down, please? It never stops. Running this household is just the busiest job in the world, I think. Sometimes food's just the lowest priority of the day. It's just to get fuel in them and let's go.
Margarita.
Well, at the moment, I feel that they're getting the wrong food because... That's lovely, darling. That's brilliant. Go and put it all by the front door for me. There's a good girl. I really love cooking and I love cooking from scratch, but I don't have the time to do it.
I believe everyone has the time to cook. So I've come to spend the day with Sally to show how she can cook delicious and healthy fast food, even with her busy schedule.
So, busy mum of 4.
Very.
Yeah? I know how you feel because we've got 4 kids as well. What are you cooking at the moment for the kids?
The odd frozen pizza.
Right, that's not actually cooking for them, is it? Chicken nuggets. What are you personally cooking? I'm not saying you're a bad mum, you're a busy mum.
No, I know. I mean, on the weekend, I will make my roast dinner, of course I will, when I've got the time and the energy. But otherwise, in the week, it's quick, fast...
Convenience
food.
What's next on your list this time?
I've got loads of jobs, so you can come and help me, actually. Just loads of different things.
It's not easy, is it? I've got
no, it's not. See, I've got loads of odd ones.
So the other half of these may be in there.
Somewhere in there.
My bed's made here.
Yes.
Yes. Next. So another load going in. This must be on constant, this one.
It is on, probably about, I'd say about 3 times a day.
Oh, yeah. Thank God I cook for a living, you know that. Because when Tana sees what I've just done, I'm in trouble. Just on what I've seen, you know, you are one hell of a busy mum, you know that?
Yes.
Yeah. And, you know, you've got everything so well coordinated. The only thing you haven't got right is the food, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to come up with a dish that will be done in 2 parts. I'm going to start it, stop it, go off, pick up the kids, come back and finish it.
Perfect.
Got to go?
Got to get the kids in 15 minutes. I've got the boys.
So we'll be cooking a fast and delicious leek and smoked haddock risotto.
Right. Everyone thinks a risotto is about standing over a pan for 45 minutes.
But with this fast risotto, you parboil the rice in stock for 4 minutes to speed up the cooking later.
The reason why I kept the garlic whole, kids, you know, don't like garlic. All it is just flavoured it.
Yeah.
So it's a lot easier to take the garlic out.
And what type of rice was it?
Arborio rice. That basically there is 1 portion. Haddock. As that comes up to the boil, you just take it off. And it just sits there in its milk.
Just turn it off.
After 4 minutes, spread the rice on a tray to cool down.
That's really good.
Now, if the kids saw that, they wouldn't eat that.
Yeah, no, not in a million years.
But the fact that we flavoured the rice...
It's got a bit of tree in, they say.
That's exactly what they'll say. I don't want twigs in my risotto.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going to come with you and pick up the kids just to show you how easy this is. Oh, thank you, Rosie. That's nice. That's ticklish.
Next stop, picking up George and Harry, and a chance to meet some of the other mums at the school gates. Something I don't get the chance to do every day.
So, hectic as well in terms of trying to find time to cook in amongst a manic schedule?
I've got 3 children.
Yeah.
And I have to feed them, and then my husband works really late hours, so then I have to feed him again.
What we were saying,
So you've got the same problem Sally's got.
like a cafe.
You just find it and you're difficult to cook in amongst everything else you've got to do. I always thought it was drop them off, Pilates, back, glass of wine.
That's what my husband says.
That's what my husband said. Yeah, no, absolutely.
But I'm sure we've all got nannies somewhere.
Oh, no!
So with the kids picked up, it's back to the house.
What about homework?
I don't like homework.
Oh, kick it.
And there's only 30 minutes before Sally has to take George to football practice. Time to get cooking.
Right, stage 2.
The rice is part boiled and the haddock's cooked. So this stage is about bringing the ingredients together quickly.
I like the fact that I've come in now and I'm halfway there already.
You just get that. Hello, mate. It's something they're not used to eating, leeks. So I'm going to cut them up really small so they don't get to see them. Where the rice goes in now, a couple of minutes.
Right, Rosie.
Oh, dear. What's the matter, darling?
Hey, sweetheart.
Oh, dear.
We're using the milk that we poached the haddock in earlier for a really flavoursome stock.
So what happens after dinner?
Swimming, trying to get reading or homework done.
So it's still full on, isn't it?
It's still full on, probably till about... It'll be gone 8 o'clock.
A spoonful of mascarpone cheese will give a lovely creamy taste that the kids will love.
What do you think the kids will think?
That is gorgeous.
Now, this is the spinach. Now it's going to need about another 3 or 4 minutes.
Is that all?
It's tailor-made for your busy day.
Yeah, definitely. No, this is perfect.
Time for the haddock.
Dad's on his way home to look after the kids before Sally takes George to football. Time to dish up.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm very well.
That's for you, my man.
Thank you very much.
Susan.
Hello, sweetheart. How are you? Did you have a good day?
Are you ready for some risotto?
Check this out.
This.
It smells nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Molly, what do you think, my darling?
So brilliant.
Nice.
You like it, Harry?
Harry.
Yummy.
Yummy.
To have something nice and sweet and easy like this is fantastic.
I hope you're going to keep it up.
Yes, definitely.
Promise me?
I promise.
Yes. I would seriously stay behind and help you, you know that. But to be honest, I think going back to my own restaurant tonight will be a lot easier. Yes?